guys, let's take a tour of the cosmetology building. First up, we have our front desk area. This is where clients will check in and where you'll come and greet your clients before you take them back to the salon. Next, we're gonna go check out our classrooms. And here we have our basics classroom where you'll spend your first 300 hours working at the stations behind me and also learning theory at the desks. And then we'll head to our advanced classroom where I'm at now. And here we have our advanced classroom, which you move to after the 300 hours. You learn basic theory, but we'll head over to the shampoo room right now. And here we have the shampoo room where you'll be rinsing out your mannequins as well as bringing clients back here to get shampooed. Now we're gonna head on over to the salon. And here we have our salon floor where you'll be taking clients. Thanks you guys for coming on the tour of the cosmetology building with us. If you want to start the enrollment process or book an appointment, reach out to us at evit.edu. Bye!